Hey Mark, what's going on? Just wanted to show you this transmission belt. Surprised it even drives, but you got this going on here. It's pretty loose. The belt is okay now. I would order another one just to have it handy, so that you won't be down for days trying to find a belt when this goes. So these have been sitting around for a while, been hot, cold, you know, they haven't been used much lately, but now they're getting used, so they might start tearing apart. But there's that transmission belt. Now with these bolts right here, I could loosen these up on the transmission and bring it back this way, and that's gonna tighten up that chain. All right, that's something I can do. And then also with that, it's gonna, when I pull this transmission back that way, it's gonna tighten this belt up. And you definitely want that to be tight around the pulley there, so you have good traction on your wheels. So this is gonna really improve your traction and your drive. So that's just gonna, I'm gonna charge you another 40 bucks for that if you want me to do it. It needs to be done, so I just wanted to let you know what's going on, what I'm looking at, what needs to be done. Okay, so I got the blade sharpened. So far the thing's running good, runs real good. Blade sharpened, grease job, and that's it. So I was going to take and loosen up this transmission, the bolts, the mounting bolts, and bring it back here a little bit. It's going to tighten up that chain, and it's also going to tighten up your belt for traction. And then the last thing, which was part of what we discussed, was adjusting this brake over here to make it more effective for turning. So if you want to add an extra 40 on here for this, it's going to take some time to loosen up all these bolts and bring this transmission back a little bit. Let me know.